if you're looking to make 2 quick, delicious holiday desserts, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I have 2 quick, easy, and delicious holiday desserts for you. We're going to be making little mini sugar apple pies, and also we're going to be making some cinnamon and sugar cookies. Quick, easy, very few ingredients, but yet they are absolutely delicious. So we're going to start with the apple pie first. I will quickly go over all the ingredients for that, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the cinnamon and sugar cookies. So let me turn the camera down and let's go over the ingredients for the apple pies. All right, my friends, so here are the ingredients. We're going to start with our muffin pan. I have a ice cream scoop, a roll of sugar cookie dough, some cooking spray, apple pie filling, and I have some caramel there. This recipe makes 12. I think I'm going to do 6 with some caramel on it. You could also do some with topping as well. So these are the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, told you, very little ingredients, and honestly, you don't even need this. I just want to put a little bit on top just to add a little extra something. My oven, I turned it on. It is set at 350. It just came to temperature, so it's time to make our little apple pies. All right, my friends, we're going to start with spraying our pan really well. Alrighty, put that aside. All right, my friends, so I have my cookie dough here. I'm just gonna go ahead and score it to make my life easier. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, just go ahead and slice it down so you have 12 slices. Try to keep it as straight as possible and round. All right, there we go. Now we're going to go ahead and take our cookie dough, and I just like to flatten it out a little bit just so it'll fit perfectly in that pan. Not too much because it'll be too big. And then just sit it right in there. Just like that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our oven. It's set at 350. We're gonna put it in for about 10 minutes. All righty. And we'll check back when we're done. All right, my friends, 10 minutes has been up. Oh, perfect. Let's go ahead and pull these out. There we go. Now we're going to take our ice cream scoop or a spoon or something. We're just gonna press down. Ooh, press right in the middle. I think they could have gone a little bit longer maybe. Yeah, I'm going to put them in after I press this down a little bit. I don't like how soggy they are in the middle. I'm gonna put them in just for, oh, that one. I'll put them in for about a minute or so after I press them down. Just to make sure we get that center cook, because we don't want it to be real soggy. So just put it in for that. Whoa, doggy behind me. Almost fell. Yeah, you almost made mommy fall. All right, my friends, let's take that back out. All right. A little bit better there. Might not be a bad idea. I may have put a little bit too much oil in there, but I think maybe about 11 or 12 minutes and then take them out. Don't do what I did. Alrighty, I took my, I was gonna say my popcorn. Why would I say popcorn? My apples, and I did cut a few of them up because they were really large, but I thought it'd be easier to put it in a bowl so I can see what I have. And don't be like me, because I made these before and I happen to have fried apples from Aldi on hand. They were the kind that has the cinnamon in it. And I thought, you know, I'm gonna use the fried apples and just drain the juice off of them, because obviously this is much thicker than those. And I thought, oh, it'd be easy. Guess what? That did not work, friends. It did not work. So make sure you use apple pie filling. And don't do what I did. Alrighty, we're getting there. Perfect, there we go. Smells so delicious. And this is a sugar cookie on the bottom, so you really don't need to add sugar or anything to it. If you want, you can. I have this cinnamon sugar here. I might add just a tiny bit on top. But like I said, you don't really need sugar but this has cinnamon in it and I thought it'd be good. All right, let's go ahead and put this in for about 7 minutes. Oh, it's heavy. All right, my friends. Our time is up and they smell and look delicious. Look at that. All right, we're gonna let these sit until they completely cool, because if we take them out beforehand, they're gonna break and get all yucky. So let's go ahead, let these cool, and then we'll come back and take them out. All right, my friends, these are almost cold, but I thought I'd just go ahead around the edge a little bit, loosen them up. They're still a little bit warm on the bottom, so I do want to hold off. I can see that breaking already. See, I don't have a lot of filling in this one. I don't know. Let me give you a close-up on that one. Can you see how there's filling missing right here? And oftentimes the side will break when that occurs. So let's hope I can get these out. But they still have a little ways to go. They're still warm on the bottom, so we're gonna let them sit for a little bit longer. All right, my friends, we are going to take these out. It's pretty cool now. Fingers crossed it does not break on me. If you have an easier way of doing this, please let me know. Just using my fork. I already went around with my knife, and I'm just kind of loosening it up. Loosen it. Oh my. Oh, it worked. And there we go, my friends. First one out. How many do you think I can get out without them breaking? Let's see. Oh, I lost one. One. Okay, let's see. We can use that as a taste test. Only lost one, friends. Only one. Not too bad. All right, my friends. I'm surprised they all came out but one. I'm very surprised. So let's do a taste test of the apple pie first, and then we'll check out our cinnamon sugar cookies. Oh, they're so good. Delicious. All right, my friends, so now it's time to make our sugar cinnamon pie crust cookies. So I'm gonna turn the camera down. We'll go over all the ingredients real quick, and then we'll put them together. All right, my friends, this is as easy as it can get. I have some flour back there to throw on the counter, so when we lay out our pie crust, I have 2 pie crust. I got those from Aldi, and in this little container it is sugar and cinnamon. I just do half and half ratio. For this particular dessert, you're going to want about 7 tablespoons of sugar and 7 tablespoons of cinnamon. I have this container, I don't even know where I purchased it at. I've had it for so many years. And I just always have it on hand because we use it often for different things. So that's it, friends. You know, this is all the ingredients. So let's go ahead and make these up. So, did I tell you? It wasn't many ingredients at all. These are going to be so simple. So come on with me and let's get them baked. All right, my friends, I've just taken some flour right here on my counter. It's all been washed and ready to go. Okay, I've opened up my pie dough. Okay. Oops, I'm already messing it up. So I'm going to try to just stretch it out a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to take my cinnamon and sugar, and we are just putting it on here generously. And like I said, for 2 of these, it's roughly about 7 tablespoons. Want it covered really well. I love this little thing. If I can find one on Amazon or somewhere, I'll go ahead and link it for you. Alrighty. So I'm gonna, I actually wanted to roll it this way. You want to roll it as tight as possible. Okay. Just like that. All right, I'm going to put him off on the side, and then we're going to sprinkle out a little bit more flour. Got some cinnamon and sugar in there too. We'll add that in there. I keep grabbing the dough, just like that. Go, just sprinkle it out. Normally if we make our dough ourselves, I kind of square it because I think it's easier that way. But because this is purchased, I find it's a lot harder to do, so I just do it this way. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and just start rolling it nice and tight. Go, just like that. Alrighty. I don't know how many I'm going to get on a sheet, so we're going to go ahead and slice these up, put them, excuse me, and put them on our sheet, and then we'll go ahead and throw them in the oven. All right, my friends, so I have a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and then we're going to go ahead and slice up our dough, put it on here, and my oven is pre-lit. It's at 350, so let's go ahead and get slicing. Alrighty, I usually just trim a little bit of the edge off like that. Alrighty, and then we're just gonna make them about that big. And you want to get them as tight as you can when you're rolling them. Need to roll that a little bit tighter. There we go. And I'm just going to take my ends here that I sliced off and just kind of put it, because this is rounded, so it's kind of like that when you have a burrito, that end. So I usually just do that with the ends. Okay, just like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the same for this one. Just get those ends off a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slice all these up, put them on, and then we'll get them in the oven. All right, my friends, there we have it. So we're gonna put it in the oven. It's set at 350. We're gonna put it in for about 9 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on them. All right, my friends, you see this? Oh, he just walked on my foot. He's always under my feet. Oh my goodness. All right, we got our little mini cookies here. All right, I'm gonna put them up here till they cool down, and we'll do a quick taste test when we're done. Can you all hear that? That was the drain. I have dishes in the sink, and I guess it was stopping it up a little bit. Anyway, so here's our little cookies. So let's give them a try. I love these. Still warm. My favorite. My favorite. All right, my friends, so that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. They were both very simple, easy recipes. And we often forget that we don't have to do these elaborate dishes or desserts for the holidays. Something simple, easy, and people will eat them. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.